Namaste. Today's topic is division of the skeleton system. So, the skeleton system include all of the bones, cartilage, and ligament of the body that support and give shape to the body and body structure. The skeleton consists of the bone of the body. For adult, there are 206 bone, as I told you in earlier. The skeleton is subdivided into the two parts: is axial and appendicular. So the axial skeleton, the skeleton is subdivided into two major divisions, the axial and appendicular. The axial skeleton from the cervical, from the vertebral center axis of the body, and include all bones of head, neck, chest and back. You can see the figure. It serves to protect the brain, spinal cord, heart and lung. It also serves as the attachment site for the muscles that move the head, neck, back, and for muscles that act across the shoulder and hip joint to move their corresponding length. So the axial skeleton of the adult consists of 80 bones, including the skull, the vertebral column, and the thoracic cage. The skull is formed by 22 bones, also associated with the head as an additional 7 bones, including the hyoid bones and the ear ossicles, 3 small bones found in middle ear. The vertebral column consists of 24 bones, each called a vertebra, plus the scrotum, coccyx, and the thoracic cage include 12 pair of ribs and sternum, the flat bone of arterial chest. So this is the skull. You can see the cranial portion is here. You can see facial portion. You can see then pectorals, grill, shoulder grill. You can see clavius. You can see scapula, ribs, upper limbs. So you can see this. Okay, and the appendicular skeleton, the axial skeleton support the neck, back and chest, and thus form the vertical axis of the body. Next is the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton include all bones of the upper and lower limb, plus the bones that attach each limb to the axial skeleton. There are 126 bones in the appendicular skeleton of the adult. The bone of the appendicular skeleton are covered in the separate chapter. So you can further study the separate chapter where we have covered the different bones which are present in the appendicular skeleton. So what we study today is the appendicular skeleton and axial skeleton. So hope you will understand the definition of both. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.